They say one decision can change your life forever. But what if it's not a decision? What if it's just a habit? This is the story of Arjun, a man who was broke, hopeless, and invisible, until one simple change transformed everything. Arjun had hit rock bottom. He was 29, jobless, drowning in debt, and living in a one-room flat he could barely afford. His days were filled with noise but no progress, Netflix, social media, excuses, and regret. He kept asking, "Why me?" But the truth was, he had become his own prison. One night he saw a quote, "Success doesn't come from what you do occasionally, but what you do consistently." He realized his failure wasn't due to bad luck. It was his habits, the way he slept late, the way he started his day with Instagram, not intention, the way he avoided responsibility. And then he made one decision, to wake up at 5 a.m. every day, no matter what. The first week was hard. His body resisted. His mind screamed to go back to sleep, but he kept going. Day by day, he used his mornings to work on his mind, his health, his dreams. He started reading, writing, planning. In 30 days, he landed a freelance gig. In 3 months, he doubled his income. By the end of the year, he started his own business. And all of this started from one small decision: waking up early and showing up for himself. 1. Wake up early. Gives you peace, focus, and a head start on the world. 2. Read 15 minutes a day. Feed your mind, upgrade your thoughts, and watch your decisions evolve. 3. Move your body. Even a 20-minute walk boosts your confidence and energy. 4. Write your goals daily. What gets written gets real. 5. Limit social media. More time for life, less time comparing it. Arjun didn't win the lottery. He didn't have rich parents. He had discipline and the courage to start with one habit. You're not stuck. You're just one habit away from a better life. Will you change it today or wait another year? If this story moved you, don't scroll away. Start today. And if you want more life-changing stories, subscribe to Hustle Igniter. Your journey is just beginning.